How to make $200 per day re-uploading videos to Facebook. Like and subscribe and hit the bell for more valuable content after watching this one. Monetization. So, how are you going to be making money? First, you'll be using ad breaks and in-stream ads. Your page will be eligible for in-stream ads after you've been creating after you've created 3-minute videos that have generated more than 30,000 1-minute views in total and over the past 2 months and have 10,000 or more Facebook followers. And you could also monetize with affiliate marketing and physical products, whatever you feel inclined to do. So, how do you get a monetized page fast? So, first way you could go about it is you could buy it. You could buy a growth service to help you get your page monetized fast. One way you could find services on Fiverr, which you can find them as little as $10 for a growth service or 75 plus for an already monetized page on Fiverr. Though I'd ask around and maybe even check the page to make sure it's legit. Audience.gain.net. They sell already monetized pages for about $500. I'd always contact the page. I'd always go and look at the page first before buying, and check all the different things about the page, the engagement, and the niche, and all that. How to grow a page, an FB page organically. So, growing your FB page yourself for monetization will help you save money and you'll build the right audience and teach you the platform. The method before, if you buy a page that has a fake audience, like bots, then you are going to mess up your performance of your post because those people who are on that page are not going to engage with your post. So you want to build a real audience that's going to engage with your post, that's going to help elevate it to more people. So tip 1, here's a few tips. Don't invite friends or family that are not interested in the niche that you're in trying to grow. They will feed Facebook the wrong info about your audience because they're not going to engage with it. Tip 2, don't promote too early on and don't promote too often. You want to build trust and value first. You don't want to turn off people from your page. Tip 3, post more videos. Videos tend to do better than photos. Make sure your videos are at least 3 minutes long. Include captions for people because a lot of people are just scrolling around, and Facebook has this thing where the video auto plays. So if you have captions, people can just read it from there. Optimize your Facebook page completely. You want to make sure you have a good profile pic, banner, and story image. You want to make sure it looks nice and it's relevant to your niche. And people should know what your page is about within a couple seconds. Within a couple seconds after visiting it. Facebook ads for likes. So you could also use Facebook ads besides going to a growth service on purchasing of growth service off something like Fiverr. You could use Facebook ads. And for Facebook ads, here's a way you could set it up. You would need a headline and ad creative. Your headline is your call to action. This is where you tell them, the people you're targeting, what you want them to do. You want them to like the page. A good headline could be something like if you action related to your niche. So, for example, like if you love to travel, thumbs up. So people who like to travel are going to see that, and then they're going to like the page. Your ad creative is the image that is displayed in the ad. It needs to be professional, high performing, high quality image that matches with your headline. You could target worldwide or third world countries for a cheaper cost per like. Starting, you can start by spending $1 a day, testing and scaling by duplicating the ad set. Creating and finding videos. So you can create compilations of popular slash viral topics on Facebook, or you can simply re-upload entire videos to Facebook. You can use Creative Commons, which is risky because you never know if it is actually Creative Commons. Ask for permission plus add credit. You can license viral videos, or you can simply create your own using a free video editor like Canva or OpenShot. And there's plenty of people who are able to make money doing this, a lot of money doing this. Things to know when creating your own original videos, you want to make sure to model after videos that have already done well. Pick a niche with a lot of traffic. Better volume means better ad revenue. Some good niches to get into include travel, sports, news, parenting, entrepreneurship, music, dance, religion, paranormal, supernatural, comedy skits, pranks, viral video compilations, etc. You can use Google Trends as well to find hot video topics. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Remember to take action, and I'll see you in the next video.